Dental implants are amazing because it allows you to replace a single tooth to a full arch of missing teeth closely to the way nature intended. It's a tool that we have to be able to give our patients back their smiles, their function, and their lives back. So a dental implant will help restore that confidence, and it'll feel natural, safe, and they have a great track record that has the potential to last you a very, very long time. Dental implant technology, it's amazing, giving you the ability to replace a single tooth, multiple teeth, a full arch under the right circumstances with the right procedures. They have the possibility of lasting you a very, very long time. So for anybody considering implants to replace a single tooth to multiple missing teeth, taking care of implants is going to be like taking care of your teeth. So if you take care of them, if you do the right thing, they're going to last you for a long time. If you want to know what dental implants are and to see if that's the right fit for you, just give us a call and we'll offer you a free consultation and we'll go over your options.